Do you know that one single video can take you from 0 to 1k subscribers in just a matter of days, if not hours? Like, as you can see from the screen, evidences do not lie, okay? When you try this video and it works for you, remember to come back and drop your comments. So these are 100% tips on how you can do what? Easily grow your subscribers, and they are tested and trusted. So this method is applicable but not limited to faceless channels. So it doesn't matter if you are in the religious niche, motivation, self-development, finance, make money online. The list goes on and on. From my previous video, I talked about how we can get subscribers and engaged viewers to subscribe to our channel, okay? So I'll try as much as possible to make this video a very short one. So basically, this one is for faceless channels. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you two methods in which you can do this. So grab your plate of chips and then come forward. Welcome to my channel. This is Ife's Insights. So you go to your YouTube app, and for today we are going to be visiting the frog Freddy. Like, this is the spelling. So we're going to be going to his channel to collab with him today, okay? Remember, we have other people. We have prosperity.x, we have Luna blogs, like the list goes on and on. So just look for people that are making good viral shots, okay? And then you just select any video you want. Basically, I go with the ones that have high views, okay? So I'm going to click on this particular one, then I'll click on remix. So when it opens up, I'm going to go ahead to click on collab. So I'll click on collab, and then this is what it's showing me. Now I'm going to go to that 15 seconds showing up. I'll click on it, and then it will show me the full length of the video, which is 50 seconds. And then I'm going to drag it to open it up here. So I'll click on next, and then our video is going to process. Pardon my editing today if it doesn't look so pleasant to the eyes, okay? I already promised you guys this video, so I just had to go out of my way to make it. While we're waiting for the video to process, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, okay? So here we have it. This is what we now have, and this is where the work comes in. So I usually prefer to off my mic so that I won't be having one echo effect and all that. So for method one, I had a picture of what I wanted on another phone, so I just placed it behind the camera, and then I was basically showing it. So you can just get like an image or a picture and then just place it for the camera to capture it. At this point, you can just decide to video your surrounding, your garden, the trees or the road. It's up to you. I was basically sliding on my phone, and then after doing that, this is what we have. So you can go ahead and insert your title, your hashtag and what have you. So this is it for method one. Now let's go back and then let me show you method two. Now for the second method, what I did was simple. You just basically select your video and then you place your hand at the front of your camera so that you cover the camera, so that it's just going to be blank. If you have like a plain sheet or a plain board in front of you, you can decide to also video it. So the idea here is to just video something plain. So now we are recording, and you can see the time ticking here showing that we are recording. You can see that this other side now is what is blank. So we're going to allow it to process. Then after processing, we begin our work for method two. So I'm going to click on this A button, on that text button, and then we're going to go ahead to add text. So here you can choose any color you want, font size. It actually depends on your choice. So for me, I want to write, don't forget to subscribe. So you can decide to just write anything, it's up to you. The idea is for us not to leave the whole thing blank, right? So we have to write something, we have to make changes to it because we are collabing. You don't just use it as it is. So I also went ahead to add emojis. So I will drag and place it where I want, and this is basically what I have done here. So you can actually decide to do much more. Then I went ahead to input my title and then my hashtag. I told you most time I prefer to use the title and hashtag that the original creator used, okay? But that doesn't mean you can't change it. You can also decide to change and use any title you feel like is befitting to the short. So after doing that, you can decide to upload it or you can decide to schedule it. Now let me show you. You can see it's on public. You can just click on upload short and then it will just go public immediately. But if you want to click on schedule, you click on that schedule, then you come here, you see your date, you pick your date and then you upload shorts. So I'm going to be dropping the part 1 above, okay, so that you can go and watch it and understand this particular video better. Did you learn something new from this video? Why not give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know, share it, subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.